To make these earrings, you will need 12mm Swarovski Rivolis in assorted colors, tassels, ear hoops with a loop, connectors for the Rivolis, 3mm jump rings, specialty glue, and 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. To facilitate gluing the Rivolis in the connectors, you can always place it on bubble wrap to make sure that they are glued on straight. Once the Rivolis have dried, you can now connect them using the 3mm jump rings. As these earrings are quite long, I would suggest that you use 2 jump rings in between each connector. Always make sure when you're using jump rings to use a back and forth motion to avoid warping the jump ring. For the earring finding, we'll be using a huggy type hoop that has a loop and that clips closed. Like we did before using 3mm jump rings, we'll connect the Rivolis to the ear hoop. Now all you have to do is to finish the earring by hanging the tassel. Perfect earrings to dress up any outfit.